Good day, everyone. Today I will explain my project that I created today. So first, the app.jsx. So the first line, import app.css. This line imports the CSS file. Then next is these three lines. This is the components that I created. So here, uh, I display the three components. First is the navbar, form, then the footer. So the navbar.jsx. Uh, I created a function navbar. Then the heading is student registration. The next is the form.jsx. Uh, import use state from React. I imported use states because I needed to store the values entered by the user. Then this function form uh, const name set name equals use state. I created this state variable for the name. Uh, the first variable stores the value while the second variable updates the value. Then same process is used for the password, contact number, and the address. Then here, this line, uh, it checks if any of the field are empty. Then it will alert if the field is empty. Then if the field are completed, the system will display registration successful. Then, um, then the input. Uh, this is the input field of the phone name, password, contact number, and the address. Then next is the button.jsx. This component contains only the submit button. Next is the footer.jsx. This component displays the footer of my application. So it will display the St. Michael's College, Iligan City, the app.css. This file is contain all the styles of my applications. So yes, then this is the output. So if I click the submit button and there's a empty fields, it will alert please fill in all fields. So then if I submit, it will say registration successful. Then this is the nav bar. So this is the heading one, which is the student registration, and the footer St. Michael's College, Ligan City. Then it is also a responsive. So